Okay, so this morning I'm doing a little bit of chicken TLC. I got a couple of buckets, 2-gallon buckets, and I saw these really cool gravity feeders online, and I think I want to try it out. It'll make things a little bit more efficient when I'm feeding my chickens. Now, we'll see if my chickens like them. Stick with me and see how it goes. Take this tool that I got that came in the box. Put it here. I think I'm going to do 2 holes. Alright, so according to the instructions, I need to push this like so. Then take this right here, there you go. So the chicken feed goes in and it goes down there, and then the chickens pop their head in and feed themselves. I'm going to do one more. Now, if I ever get a bunch of chickens, then I will use a 5-gallon bucket. There you go. Then, once I put the chicken feed in there, pop the lid on there. Alright, so now I'm going to fill up the chicken feeder. So how this works is the chickens pop their head in there. See that? Yeah. And then the chicken feed comes down with gravity. So let's see if the chickens like it. Right, it's been a few hours. Oh. Yeah. They figured it out. I can tell because you can see how some of the chicken feed has come out. Well, all right, y'all. Looks like it was a success. The chicken feeder is working. Thanks for watching the Amateur Aquaponics Guy. Take care, everybody.